telling you all this stuff, all these things about this really important topic that is related to the pronunciation. You already know how important pronunciation is when we want to be able to communicate with others. Now, it is not only a thing of being able to understand what other people say, but being able to be understood by those people. Then, here we are going to talk about these consonant sounds. Notice that we are talking only about these 6 symbols. What happens with those 6 symbols? Here at the very first we have the fricative sound of, but I am giving you these examples, and you are going to notice that this sound of is present here, is present here, and is present here. So you are going to see that here we have at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Here we have 5, alpha, and 9. But if we check, we are going to see that the difference that we have where we are pronouncing this sound with this other one is the vibration of your oral cords. Then, when you pronounce the sound of and you compare it with the sound of you are going to see that the difference is in terms of the vibration. So, here you have vest, device, and 9. Sometimes, and it is very important for you to know too, sometimes it is going to be a little bit difficult finding some words with some specific sounds at the end or at the beginning or in the middle. But I was trying to find out some of these words that will help you in terms of recognizing the symbols and their pronunciation. Now, here we have the sound of Greek. The Greek alphabet, and it is called theta. We already talked about that symbol, you already know about it. So, theta. In this case, you need to take out the tip of your tongue. So you need to pronounce it as, and here we have 3, theater, the British pronunciation, the British spelling, and theater, the North American one. Here we have fifth, and obviously you are going to be able to find this theta sound at the end of many words, but it was going to be a little bit difficult if we wanted to express those sounds in our notebooks. Now, the sound of delta. So what happens with delta? The same thing that happened here. At the very beginning we have theta, and we don't have vibration in our chords. But here we do have that vibration. So it is they. They at the very beginning. You see? So you need to press a little bit more the air when it is coming out from your throat in order to pronounce it correctly. Then you have they, this, smooth. You see? So very important for you to notice the difference. And finally we have this sound that is really, really similar, totally similar to the one that we use in Spanish. And we say s. In the beginning, sen, in the middle, mask, and at the end, miss. But there is a difference with the sound of z. In this case, you will need to pronounce it by pressing a little bit more your tongue, the back of your tongue, against your hard palate. You see? So in this case, you are going to pronounce it as z, z, maze, and finally rose, rose. So I know that it is going to be something that you are going to use, and that is why we are working about this topic. I really hope you enjoyed it, and that's all for today. Thank you.